name is Sashiko. I'm the founder and CEO of Innovates Private Limited. It's a Singapore-based company. We opened this company way back in 2024 August in Singapore, and we opened our Australian office in March 2025. The key purpose of Innovates is to develop and produce agtech solutions for livestock, poultry, and agriculture crops. Our primary market is Australia. Australia is one of the world's leading agriculture exporters, producing high quality livestock, grains, dairy, and horticulture products. However, Australian farmers are managing increasingly complex operations with fewer people, tighter margins, and higher expectations around sustainability and animal welfare. This pressure means farmers can no longer rely on experience and manual observations. Decisions need to be faster, more accurate, and backed by data. Australia is therefore an ideal environment for us to demonstrate our AI-based products that can solve practical algorithmically on agriculture problems. At Innovates, we are building AI-driven products and solutions that help farmers move from reactive farming to predictive farming. Our platform focuses on providing actionable insights rather than simple data collection. For instance, a group of sheep shows early behavioral changes. This could be identified earlier before the visible signs of illness appear. We use machine language model to identify this pattern on a day-to-day basis. The farmer can intervene before productivity is affected. This is where the real value lies from us. Across agriculture, farmers are facing, especially in Australia, on labor shortage, rising costs, unpredictable weather, biosecurity threats, disease outbreaks, and increasingly compliance requirements. Farmers operate across thousands of hectares or manage large livestock populations. It is impossible for people to continuously monitor every animal and every paddock on a daily basis. This is what we see as a main challenge in Australia in livestock and agriculture areas. We are using IoT sensors, both camera sensors as well as data sensors, to collect data on the ground on a near real-time basis of the livestock as well as agriculture crops in that farm. So which means that we are analyzing data of the farmers near real time, identifying anomalies and reporting to the farmers on a daily basis. Our AI tool, which is developed by our team, it is specifically designed for each farm we work. We analyze the farm's condition and customize it for their requirements and understand the anomalies in each of the farm, which could be either diseases, nutrition deficiency, or just basic behavior due to weather changes. All these we use our AI capability as well as sensors to report to the farmers on a predictive basis. Many people talk about automation, but automation only works if you understand what is happening first. If the underlying data is incomplete or inaccurate, automating decisions simply accelerates the issues and mistakes. Visibility provides confidence before automation begins. Our first priority in Innovates is helping farmers understand their operations through continuous monitoring, behavioral analysis, and environmental intelligence. Once visibility improves, automation becomes much more effective. For example, automatically adjusting ventilation inside a poultry shed. The system needs reliable information on temperature, humidity, light, bird behavior, and air quality. All these factors are got by visibility, and we get this using IoT sensors. Technology alone rarely succeeds in agriculture. Adoption depends on trust, collaboration, and evidences. Farmers want to see proven results. Researchers want scientific validation. Industry wants commercial viability. Government wants broader economic and environmental outcomes. We are actively collaborating with universities, industry partners, government organizations, startup programs, and farmers to co-develop solutions and products that solves real problems. We go to the farm to understand the farmer's problem, not sit in the office and visualize a problem which is not at all there in the farm. So rather than building technology in isolation, we conduct pilots, gather farmers' feedback, refine the product, and validate outcomes before scaling.